is he doing right now?
Buenos dias, amigas, amigos. Malecón Manny here. Good morning from La Paz, Mexico, with my two perros, Zeus and Zoe. Yes, we made it safely to Mexico, driving. We drove this year, first time ever. Actually, I've driven once before in Los Cabos. I was a dozen years ago, but we just rented the Jeep there. But this time, yeah, we drove. There she is, the Dodge Ram 1500 Hemi 2022. Made her all the way, nice and safe. So this morning, thought, well, take the dogs to El Comitan Beach. It's near La Paz. Beautiful water, nice and clean. Nice area to take the dogs out. I got them collared just in case other dogs come and I can leash them up real quick. But yeah, beautiful morning here. Been here in La Paz now for about close to a week. It took us about a week to drive down. But you know what? I'm going to be showcasing all those videos. All the way from Edmonton all the way down. And going through the borders, through the Canada-US border and through the Mexican border. Everything went nice and smooth, no issues. In Mexico, there were a few check stops, but nothing too serious. Everything went safe. Yeah, La Paz, I don't know if you can see it from here. It's quite a ways. I would say it's in that area right there. Okay. It's about, from where we're staying at the compound, it's about a 20-minute drive on the highway. So pretty quick. I'm going to showcase that whole area for you guys during my time here down in La Paz, Mexico. Going to be down here for about 3.5 months. So it should be pretty cool. Today, we are going to another beach. El Telcote, I believe. And I don't know if you can see the mountain range way over there. Actually, that's an island. Sorry, I don't forget what the other name is, but I think on the other tip there, that other range, mountain range, beautiful beach called El Telcote. Actually, there's a number of beaches over there. Probably going to scout them all out while I'm here down in Mexico, in La Paz. But today we're going to El Telcote and check that one out. Do some video footage there for you guys. And they got a few restaurants on the beach, so should be a great day. Take these dogs for a quick walk now, get them all tired out, and then me and Mrs Malecón are going to be heading out there to do our little trip. So hang tough, stay tuned, please subscribe if you haven't already. This is a great channel. There's more to come, and appreciate you guys subscribing. Hit that notification bell for future Malecón Manny videos, and leave a comment or two. I don't mind comments, good or bad. Give a thumbs up, a thumbs down, whatever you want. Won't hurt my feelings. But anyways, have a great day wherever you are, Canada, US, Europe, wherever you're watching me from. Appreciate it. Stay tuned and play safe. Hasta luego. Excuse me, would you like to come home? Dad's got cookies. Hey? There's nobody else on the beach. Come on. Your boyfriend's waiting. Come. Your boyfriend's waiting. Good girl.